I'm going to help out. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, battery moved. So this way we could show you the startup boot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're started. The question has been asked, can I use the camera for photos all day long just by hitting the quick start? We need to swipe down, go to the cog, go to the snapshot, go to the last setting, as we do not have a photo on there as default. Back out. When you swipe, you can go to all these different modes. And you could be set up there. So we go to the photo mode or simply tap to the side, and you don't have to tap once on photo. In the photo, you can have a timer, a countdown. You have M16:9, 4x3, L16:9, and 4x3, 2 photos for 1 second, 3 photos, 6 photos, and 9 photos. We just want to be in the off position. All we need to do now is long press the camera to shut off. If you short press, it'll change to the quick start of photo, video, and so forth. The camera is off. Things to know about taking a photo, video, or using quick start. As soon as it shuts down, you won't be able to take the next one. You have to wait a full second. So let's take a photo and count how fast it starts. 1,000, we're already taken. We can interrupt, and then we could change and do things in the setting. But we need to shut down the camera. We're able to take the photo. Let's show you what happens within a second. You can't take a photo. You have to wait that full second. You can stop by hitting the quick start, and I don't think anybody knew that. You thought you had to swipe the screen. I just learned something. So let me show you that again. A quick shot, interrupt, and let's do one more. Let's take a photo. You notice how I pressed within a second? It didn't work. Take a photo, hit the mode on button, and we're able to manually stop the countdown. When you're all done, just simply shut the camera down, walk away. You have up to 30 minutes on the existing firmware before the camera goes to sleep and does not work again. According to the information provided, it is up to 8 hours. You'll find out that it is not up to 8 hours, and it could be up to a couple of hours. I want to say up to 4. Sometimes it's random. When you're all done and you want to get off, for me, I need to swipe down, go to the cog, change my snap, and be on video. If I take the camera and on photo and I shut down, this is random. I can't get it to work correctly. I should be on photo, which I am not. I'll be on video. You notice it changed from photo to video and recording video.